Hello there, I'm Lauren. I'm so happy to be stepping in for Jane today to guide you through this journey. Today, we are going to focus on the foundation of the English language. We are going to master the 50 most powerful words you will encounter every single day. These are the words that connect our thoughts, describe our world, and allow us to share who we are. I want you to find a comfortable place to sit and listen. We will use a simple rhythm. First, I will say the word. Then we will build a sentence piece by piece. Finally, I will say the full sentence and leave a long silence. This silence is your time to speak. Don't just think the words in your head. Let the sounds leave your mouth. Let's begin. We start with the most common word in English. The. Repeat after me. The. Let's build the thought. The coffee is hot. Now the full sentence. The coffee is hot. Next is a word that connects two things. Of. Repeat. Of. Let's build it. A cup of tea. Now, the full sentence. I would like a cup of tea. Now our primary tool for joining ideas. And repeat. And build it. Bread and full sentence. I want bread and butter for breakfast. When we talk about one thing in general, we use a. Repeat. A. Build it. I have a car. Full sentence. I have a car. To show direction or intention, we use build it. Go to the park. Full sentence. I want to go to the park. When something is inside a location, we use in. Build it. In the box. Full sentence. The keys are in the box. To define what is happening right now, we use is. Repeat. Is. Build it. He is tall. Full sentence. He is very tall. The word for connection, you. Repeat. Build it. You are my friend. Full sentence. You are my friend. To point to something away from us, that. Repeat. That. Build it. That is my house. Full sentence is my house. The word for things and ideas, it. Build it. It is raining. It is raining. You are doing wonderful. Your brain is starting to recognize these patterns. Let's keep moving through the people in our lives. He. Repeat. He. Build it. He is at work. Full sentence. He is at work right now. For build it. This is for you. This gift is for you. Was. Build it. It was cold. It was cold last night. On. Build it. On the table. The phone is on the table. I'll repeat. Build it. Are you hungry? Full sentence. Are you hungry? As. Repeat. As. Build it as fast as me. He is as fast as me. With. Repeat. With. Build it. Come with me. Full sentence. Please come with me. His. Build it. His name is John. His name is John. They build it. They are outside. They are playing outside. At. Repeat. At 5 o'clock. I will see you at 5 o'clock. Take a deep breath. Your mouth is getting used to the shapes of English. Let's move into action. Be. Repeat. Build it. Be careful. Full sentence. You must be careful. This. Repeat. This. Build it. This is fun. This is very fun. From repeat. From build it. From my house. Full sentence. I am walking from I build it. I am a student. Full sentence. I am a student. Have build it. I have a dog. Or repeat. Or build it. Tea or coffee? Full sentence. Do you want tea or coffee? By. Repeat. By. Build it. By the window. If I am sitting by the window. One. Repeat. One. Build it. Only one more. Full sentence. I have only one more. Had. Build it. I had a dream. Thought I had a strange dream. Not. Build it. I am not tired. I am not tired. We're almost there. These last words will help you build complex thoughts and ask questions. But repeat, but build it small but strong. Full sentence. It is small, but it is strong. What? Repeat, build it. What is that? So what does that sound? All, build it. All the people are happy. Were, build it. We were early. We were very early. When, build it. When do we go home? We build it. We are together. We are learning together. There, build it. There is food. There is food in the kitchen. Can, repeat, can, build it. I can swim. Full sentence. I can swim very well. And repeat, build it. An apple a day. I eat an apple every day. Your build it. Is this your pen? Is this your pen? Final 10 words. Keep your energy high. Which build it? Which one is it? For instance, which one do you want? There, build it. Their house is very big. Their house is very said, build it. He said hello. Full sentence. He said hello to me. If, build it. If it rains. Full sentence. If it rains, we stay home. Do your best. Please do your best. Will, build it. I will help. Full sentence. I will help you tomorrow. Each, build it. Each person is unique. Each person is unique. About, repeat, about. Tell me about it. Tell me about your day. How, build it. How are you? Full sentence. How are you today? Up, repeat, up, build it. Wake up now. Full sentence. Please wake up now. Look at what you have achieved. You have spoken 50 sentences and mastered the 50 most important words in our language. I'm Lauren, and it's been a joy to spend this time with you. Stay cozy, keep practicing, and I will see you in our next workout. Goodbye for now.